Hello YouTube. Today I'm doing some repair on my Tesla Model S. It's 2014 year of production. I have tried to search on YouTube and find any video about this popping noise from door of Tesla Model S. Out there many complaints but no resolution. I have seen a bunch of videos showing that there are popping noise coming, and people were asking from where this sound. That's why I've decided to make this video. I was also trying to search, and out there a bunch of videos about Tesla Model 3, which has this middle, like how they call it, middle hinge, but it's not a hinge actually. It just holds the position. But for Model S, there is no that middle hinge. It's basically two hinges at top and bottom, and it's actually that arm, the functionality of that third arm, it's built into this upper hinge. And I did a little bit research on Tesla's service website, and basically the solution is to, I guess, replace it. There is no any way to, I mean, it's gonna be a bunch of work to open this hinge and fix it. When you are opening this door, it makes the popping noise. I will post a video to demonstrate what kind of noise it makes. It looks like you are opening some old car's door. And I've tried to order this upper hinge from Tesla's website. It's $100, but the problem that is gonna come, it's aluminum color, basically not painted, and you need to paint. It was extra work that I don't want to do, and I did order used part from eBay. I got, I think it was $50 something, and same color. And to replace it, it's not complicated. It takes about 20 minutes. You will need masking tape, a 13mm wrench, touch-up paint, and 13mm socket. You will need some jack and put underneath of your door to hold the weight while you are replacing this upper hinge. And take off 4 bolts, one, 2, 3, 4 from this right side and 2 on this left side. I'm on the driver's side, but it's pretty much the same for all doors. And after taking all of these hinges, you can drop down a little bit this side, left side of the door, to be able to pull this one out. The masking tape it's there to protect this painted surface, otherwise you might move it around and scratch the surface. That will just protect the surface, and also will guide you to reposition this new one in the same location. And after taking it off, just put new one in there and tighten up these bolts. And you need to adjust the door, close the door slowly, and make sure it's lined up correctly. If you need to move it up, again, put your jack underneath of door. Just you can close halfway, and using this wrench, this 13mm wrench, loosen it slightly. You can just tighten to this front bolts and do your adjustment, move it up or down according to your needs, and tighten it back and try it. If you ever think it's good, you can tighten all 4 bolts, and you should be good there. You might need some adjustment also if you had same issue that I had. My door gaps were not aligned, and I did adjust also this part. I've loosened it, move it up a little bit. My door was hanging down. Yeah, and that should be it. And after all, just do some touch up to cover not painted parts of new hinge, and that should be it. Yeah, thank you.